Oh, how's it going tonight there, YouTube? Well, it's a little bit late to be getting a video started here. It's, you know, 10:02 at night. But, yeah, I didn't get any videos up this weekend because I ended up going to work Saturday morning and Sunday afternoon I had done the brakes in the truck, but I was glad I did because, what was left of the brake lines on the shoes were about thinner than my hairline here, so, that had to get done. I was going to make a video for you guys, but I figured I'd just kind of hammer that out and I'll show you guys what I pulled off the truck here in another video. Anyway, I've got something in the mail today. We got our little giveaway tractor here. I'll show you guys that in a minute. But I also wanted to mention, here are the names for everybody that's already, come on, focus. Everyone that's already got their name entered in the big draw for March 11th. There's already 45 names on that list, and I'll cut them up and put them in the cowboy hat, and I'm going to draw one of them out for that little Ford 9000 there. I'm in March 11th on a live stream, so if you haven't got your name in the big draw yet, head over to that other video there and put a comment on that video, and then I'll write your name down for a submission for the ballot for the big giveaway here. Anyway, let's, where's that case trapper at? Oh, I'll go grab the case trapper and we'll, do a proper unboxing. So I ordered the little Ford 9000 up from Boston Implement, which we have many times. So we'll cut the tape open. I do have the case trapper here in my hands, which is the knife I do use for all my unboxing videos. I do have quite a few knives, but I mean, I just like using this one because this is the most expensive one I got. Maybe our unboxing is getting a little tired here. Trying to be sharpened. I actually think I might save this box because if and when I pick our winner, I may use it to ship it back out. Okay, so we got bubble wrap for packing material. Oh, look at that, isn't that just dandy? I'm not going to take it out of the box because I want it to be new in box for one of you guys to have the chance to win. So you kind of going to show you the best little look as I can anyway. A little bit of box art there. I know I'm zoomed in a little bit too far. There's some on the back. Other side. And there you go right there. ToytractorTimes.com. That's a nice little piece. I think what I actually am going to do, I want to order one of these for my little lineup there, but since I'm going to give one of the, this one's going to go to one of you guys, but on my next little unboxing or little haul that I get, then I think I might order one for myself as well. So, yeah, pretty sweet little unit there. You guys think I made a good choice for our giveaway? Leave a comment down below of what you think, and I do think I'll be doing another giveaway at 2,000 subscribers when I do hit that. Anyway, we'll do this giveaway first, of course, and if you're interested in winning that little Ford 9000 put together by the ToytractorTimes.com, head over to the other video. I'll try to remember to put a link in this video for you guys just to click on it. And leave a comment on another video there, and I'll put your name down on the sheet of paper there before I cut it up and put it in that big cowboy hat of mine there. We'll pull a name out of it on March the 11th. And as always, if you're interested in sending me a tractor combine piece of literature for the greatest farm toy collection on YouTube, which is a little small tractor collection I started out of fan mail for the fans, the PO box address is in the description box down below. Anyway, we'll see you on the next one.